Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have here is a power tool, electric impact tool. What we're going to do is show you how it works, open it up, show you what you get inside. We have here is an electric impact wrench, 1/2 inch, 12.7 millimeters. Comes in a nice case. Let's take the tie wrap off so it doesn't, go all over the place during shipment. We have an instruction guide. Always great to read them, like so. Wrapped up in a nice plastic bag. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Your Wild Edge impact wrench. I called it a wrench. It's a power tool. Pull down on the trigger for one direction, let go, up on the other direction. I'm going to plug it in for the first time. I'm going to get used to it. That is fast. It's got an AGG. It's got one of those motors that's going to constantly spin after it's used. So be careful that it doesn't snap your wrist when you're not paying attention. We have a number of sizes here. I got some wood lag bolts, and that's what it fits. And if you wanted to get more, you're going to get these special bits, not just any old socket. You'll snap your socket. These are strong and durable. Now they're going to go on here until you remove the cap. There's a protective cap cover when it comes shipped. And all you got to do is just put this in. There's a ball bearing. It locks into place with the ball bearing over here, as you can see. And then you're going to get your piece of wood. Do your drilling. You take a hammer, you bang in, and then you're able to get your lag bolt going. My lag bolt's in. I'm going to sink it a little bit more. And that's the impact of the tool. Now if I need to remove it, I just squeeze against the trigger going up. That's my reverse. This is the forward. So I go up this way. And there you go. I'm going to go sink some more. And I'm going to put some air protections on. When you're all done, it comes off just that simple. Put your sockets away, put your caps on, clean up, put the tool back in, and roll up your cord the best you can. And they don't give you a lot of room to put your cord in, but you get your cord in just fine. And off you go for another day. Got little feet, so this way it rests on the floor nicely. Wild Edge 1/2 inch impact tool. A great power tool for your garage, work area, wherever you need to have sockets and a wrench to take off and put on things. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.